How to find blocked users list on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your REDnote application. Then tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now go to Settings. After that, simply go to Privacy Settings. Scroll down in this relationship section and then you will see an option of blocked users. Tap on it. All the blocked users will appear over here. And you will also get an option of unblocking them. Since I do not have anyone blocked, my block list is empty. But if you have blocked someone, they will appear over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.